Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Mr. Jones.
Good afternoon.
Today, I am Hanifa, and my partner is Mrs. Ella. We are from Team 5. We would like to present and discuss about dimension of symptom and present perfect progressive tense. Next. This is a conversation. I will be Andin and Miss Ella nurse. Andin is suffering from stomach. She is now in the hospital and a nurse is helping her to recover. Oh, my stomach is too bad.
What does it like?
It seems a needle prick on my stomach.
Please lie down here. I will give a first aid.
Thanks.
This may help you to heal the pain. Don't move. Lie down here for several
Thanks
minutes.
a lot.
What do you feel now?
I feel better now.
I'm happy to hear that. Does the pain occur frequently?
No, doesn't. I just suffer it.
When did you feel it?
This morning, it hurts again.
You are not totally cured. Then please still lie. Don't.
The doctor.
You are not totally cured. Then please still lie. Don't hurt. The doctor will examine you.
Can you give any medicine?
Sorry, I cannot, but you can use it to heal the pain.
No. This is usual expression. Where you do feel? Di mana kamu rasakan? Where does the pain? Di mana sakitnya? So, me where it is. Tunjukkan di mana tempatnya. Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? What is it like? Seperti apa itu? Is it big? Apakah itu besar? How big it is? Seberapa besar? How does it feel? Bagaimana rasanya? What does the pain look like? Seperti apa rasa sakitnya? When did it last? Kapan itu bertahan? Next.
Okay. What was the worst pain you felt? Apa rasa sakit terparah yang Anda rasakan? Does it bother your activity? Apakah itu mengganggu aktivitas Anda? Can you still move your arm? Apakah kamu masih bisa menggerakkan tanganmu? Can you eat spicy? Bisakah kamu makan pedas? When did you first notice it? Kapan Anda pertama kali menyadarinya? How long does it last? Berapa lama itu bertahan? How often does it happen? Seberapa sering hal itu terjadi? How long have you suffered from it? Sudah berapa lama Anda menderita karenanya? Do you suffer it frequently? Apakah Anda sering mengalaminya? Next, Mr. Hanifa.
What did you before that? Apa yang kamu lakukan sebelumnya? Did you clean your house before? Apakah Anda pernah membersihkan rumah Anda sebelumnya? Is it easy? Apakah gatal? Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? Do you vomit? Apakah kamu muntah? Do you feel better now? Apakah Anda merasa lebih baik sekarang? Okay, next, Miss Ella.
Next reading.
This is I will reading about dengue fever. Dengue fever is endemic in tropical and subtropical area. Dengue fever is estimated by the World Health Organization (WHO) to cause about 20 until 100 million in infection per year worldwide. The U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) considers dengue fever to cause the majority of acute febrile illness in travel returning to the U.S. The first clinical record of dengue fever was in 1789 by Birach, although the Chinese might have described in the days associated with flying insects. As early as 420 AED, Africa described Cardinga pepo, a scrape-like seizure caused by an evil spirit. The Spanish might have changed Dinga to Dingo, signs, enemies, pastor, or careful and Spanish, which describe the gait of people try to reduce the pain of next, Mr. Ella.
Unfortunately, the disease incidence seems to be increasing. Researchers suggest the source in dengue fever may be due to several factors. Increases urban crowd with more sites for mosquitoes develop. International commerce that contains infected mosquitoes thus introduce the disease to area previously free of the disease. Local and road environmental change that allow mosquitoes to survive the winter months. International travelers who carry the disease to areas where mosquitoes have not been previously infected. Next, Mrs. Hanifah.
Dengue has spread widely throughout the world. The WHO description app show that dengue fever mainly occurs in tropical and subtropical areas. In the U.S., dengue fever has been detected in California, Florida, Texas, and Hawaii. Other areas where it has been detected or there has been an outbreak of the disease include the Philippines, Taiwan, Samoa, Brazil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, and New Delhi. However, as climate warms, experts suggest dengue will become more prevalent. Next, Ms. Ella.
In 2015, an outbreak of dengue fever occurred in New Delhi. The worst in 5 years. Over 10,000 people tested positive for dengue fever. There have been at least 32 deaths attributed to this outbreak. State-run hospitals were so overcrowded that patients were sharing beds. An independent group, Brandeis University, suggests the actual number of people in India with dengue are
We will experience both present perfect progressive. Next, Miss Ella. Present perfect progressive. The present perfect progressive tense is used for continuous activity that begins in the past and continues into the present or regularly ended. Example, I have this. Okay, is the following rule or formula. Positive sentence, subject plus has or have plus been plus present perfect or 5-1 plus ing. Example, I have been swimming for 2 hours. Negative sentences, subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus present participle or verb 1 plus ing. Example, I have not been swimming for 2 hours. Interrogative sentence, have or has plus subject plus been plus present participle or verb 1 plus ing. Example, have you been swimming for 2 hours? Next. Auxiliary verb. This is subject. I, you, we, they. The makes have. She, he, it, make, has. Next. The function of present perfect continuous. 1. So the finished action. I have been working with my computer all day and now I want some delicious food. 2. So presently complete action. Please take off your shoes because I just have been sweeping in the floor. 3. Indicated in action that has started in the past. Example, please take off your shoes because I just have been swimming in the pool. Okay. This is exercise. Anybody want to answer? Reading, please reading
Yeah.
myself.
Yes. This is for reading.
Question for reading. Number 1, what does the next text mainly talk about? Anybody want to answer?
Jennifer, can I try answer this question? I want
Miss.
to
Read
read the text, please.
the text, Ella.
Yes.
The answer is the new fever.
Okay, fish or rice.
Okay,
Miss Yulis.
thank you.
Number 2.
Number
Anybody?
2, I want to try, Miss Ella.
Yes.
The dengue fever is mosquito-borne viral disease that occurs in the tropics and subtropics.
Yes. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Number 3. Bentar.
The question.
Number 3.
Okay. So, what's the factor of dengue fever? Anybody
Can I
want to?
try? Can I try to answer what the factor of dengue fever? Can I see the text first?
Yes.
Okay. The question is, what the factors of the new paper? Yes, the factors are increased urban crowding with more sites for mosquitoes to develop. That's for the number one. 2, international commerce that contains infected mosquitoes. This introducing the disease to areas previously free of the disease. 3, local and world environmental change that allow mosquitoes to survive the winter months. And the last is international travelers who carry the disease to areas where mosquitoes have not been previously infected. Okay, thank you.
Number 4. Number 4.
Number 4, I want to try. Where does
Yeah.
where does dengue fever commonly flourish? Dengue fever occurs in tropical and subtropical areas.
Yes, alright. Number 5.
I want to try, Miss Ella.
Yes, please.
What happened with dengue fever in India? Can I look for the text first? Yes, the text. Yes. An outbreak of dengue fever occurred in New Delhi, the worst in 5 years. Over 10,000 people test positive for dengue fever. There have been at least 32 deaths attributed to this outbreak.